In this video, you will learn how to create unlimited Gmail accounts quickly. Open Gmail in your sign up page. Visit the Gmail account creation area in your web browser to start the new registration process. Enter your name and choose a username. Provide your first and last name, then pick an available email address that you would like to use. Create and confirm a strong password. Type a secure password, then confirm it. Then follow any suggestions to strengthen it. Add recovery information. Enter recovery phone number or email address and your birth date to help you secure and recover your account. Complete verification and accept the terms. Finish. Finish any verification steps, such as receiving a code or accepting Google Terms of Service. Personalize and finish up your setup. Set up optional details like a profile photo, privacy settings, and sign in to begin using that account. Then repeat the steps. Now you know how to easily create unlimited Gmail accounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.